Hey food fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to be going grocery shopping. Now I am trying to eat healthier, so that is one of the main reasons why we're doing this. But before I go out, I wanted to just plan what I'm gonna buy, because once I step into a grocery store, well actually any store period, once I step in there I go to everything. That's one of the reasons why I'm broke right now. So in this video we're just gonna be planning what I'm gonna buy, and also I'm gonna show you a little snippet of me cooking some foods. Let me know if you guys want to see me actually doing a what I eat in a week video, because I am interested in filming that. So without further ado, we're gonna get started with this video. Let me just sit back and get comfortable. If you see me looking down, I'm looking at my phone trying to figure out what we need. My plan is to break it up into categories. So there's like meats, vegetables, fruits. So what are some juicy fruits you could think of? I like watermelon, so we're gonna get that. Grapes are pretty good. Everything proper, no propaganda. What does that even mean, Jesus? All right, for fruits, we're gonna like pause real quick and just go straight into vegetables. I'm gonna need broccoli for sure. Peas and carrots mixture, I actually really like that. Red and green peppers, love those. Oh, we also need cucumber. Oh my god, and for fruits we need pineapple. Okay, so is cucumber a fruit or a vegetable? I'm gonna put it in the vegetable section. I need a lot of broccoli. I have to keep that in mind. All right, now for meats, we definitely need some chicken. I also need chicken for the dogs. Do we need ground beef? I feel like that is not even freaking healthy. What other meats? Okay, we need hot dogs for sure, because I am a hot dog lover. It has to be chicken hot dogs though, because my boyfriend cannot eat pork. Oh, caught it. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get going, and the next time you see me I'll be in my car. Y'all, let me know if y'all want like a car tour or like a cleaning my car with me video, because I will really do it. Let me know. All right, y'all, so we are in the car right now. We are on the way to a local supermarket next to my house. I have to get some type of fish, so I'm either gonna get tilapia or salmon, depends on the budget. But at this supermarket that I'm going to, y'all, something hella weird happened last time. So it was this man, right, this Haitian man. He saw me. Is there any parking? I don't think so. Are you leaving, sir? Yes, he leaving. Oh, this dude leaving too. Okay, look at God making the way, creating a path where there is no path. Like, yes, sir, get on out of here. Ma'am, come on, cross the street, ma'am. I gotta go. Gotta go, ma'am. When I was entering the supermarket, he was like, oh, when I grow up I want to have a wife just like you. First of all, I'm like, sir, you about damn 57 years old and I'm 20, so what you mean? So that joke already did not sit right with me. I ain't like that joke. I ain't appreciate that joke. And he started following me around the supermarket, and he tried to act like nonchalant about it. He tried to like be undercover, but baby, you can't be undercover, because I noticed you. I'm like a hawk. I see everything. Like, I'm above you, baby. So I texted my boyfriend. I told my boyfriend what's up, so he could have like a little clue what's going on, in case he sees that like I call him, I just scream or something, he would know where I was at, or whatever. I'm just extra. But I watched too many scary movies to die. He came next to me and he was like, hey girl, you're so beautiful. I'm like, thank you, Poppy, thank you. Now if you see me call you Poppy, you should feel disrespected if you were trying to holler at me, because I'm just calling you an old man basically. And he was like, no problem. So I walked away, because I'm like, this conversation is not about to be a conversation. I'm leaving by. So I left, and then I went to another aisle, like far from the aisle I was before, and then he was following me again. I'm like, what the hell, bro? Now I'm pissed. Now I'm mad. So don't approach me, sir, because it's gonna be a problem for you. So he followed me again, and that's when he was like, let me be your friend then. Can I have your number? I said, no, you cannot. I just walked away, and I called my boyfriend, because I started getting creeped out. Like, sir, you're not about to just follow me around like this is okay. Like, no, it's not. So y'all, that's what happened. I am not at that same supermarket, and yeah, I don't know what the point of me telling y'all that story is, but now y'all know. So y'all, let's go in the supermarket. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to record in there, because some people want to be bougie and all that. I don't record, but I'm gonna see what I could do for y'all. I'm gonna keep y'all in mind. But yeah, let's get it. Let's go. back. I know it's loud. I just put the AC on, y'all. I live in Miami, Florida, and boy, it's hot over here. But I'm gonna put some hand sanitizer on because my hands feel so disgustingly dirty. Like, it makes absolutely no sense. All right, I put the AC down a bit even though I'm dying, but I want y'all to hear me. So y'all, in there are some freaking bell peppers, red bell peppers that look like they had all types of diseases. Like, them things were like curved up and like they had white things on them. I was like, first of all, ew. Second of all, where the green ones at? Because I ain't gonna get the red ones. I don't understand what I was looking at. Them peppers did not look right. Now we are done grocery shopping. Yay, I'm so excited. I am gonna be showing you guys what I am gonna cook today for me, my family, well, my brothers to be exact. Oh, actually my family. Everybody gonna eat. My mom gonna eat. Everybody gonna eat. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm gonna be cooking. All right, so I'm gonna put the AC up a little tiny bit because I need it. But I bought everything that I need to buy and some. In the line, I did this older man skip me, and I shouldn't have done that because I'm thinking the universe gonna give me some good karma back, but no, it gave me bad karma because another guy got in line and he skipped somebody else, and they were both Hispanics, and they just started cursing at each other in Spanish. I'm like, first of all, y'all in my space. Y'all need to go on because I'm not trying to catch this virus. Y'all over trying to catch hands. It was just so dramatic in there. I'm like, why everybody so riled up? Oh, and y'all seen that I tried my best to record as much as I could. So yeah, give me a thumbs up for my efforts. So I'm literally seconds away from being home. I'm gonna unpack the things. I'll show you guys me in the kitchen, showing you the final reveal of what I got, and then we're gonna get to cooking. All right guys, so I'm home now and I laid out everything here so I can see what I got. So the total came out to be about $85. I bought enough things to last me for a week, and with the things that I bought, I have a variety of options when it comes to meal prepping. So I bought some bread. I brought some bread. You want to say hi? Come say hi to the camera. Come over here. Yeah, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, like he said, I bought some bread. It says 100% whole wheat, whole grain. It was expensive too. It was $3.49. I got just some regular chicken from like the butchery part of the supermarket. I also got some grapes. This is like my little fruit area. So I have grapes, pineapple, watermelon. Banana. No, I don't have bananas. And for my vegetables, I brought cucumber. I was gonna get a zucchini, but I'm like, people here don't really like zucchinis like that. So I just got cucumber. This is a green banana or a plantain. I'm gonna boil that and make some fire food. I also got some mushrooms. My brother loves mushrooms. I got these mixed vegetables frozen. For more vegetables, I got green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper. We got 2 packets of frozen broccoli because I love broccoli so much. I also picked up some okra for my mother. Now, something that I picked up that I did not tell you guys about is this olive oil right here. It is extra virgin olive oil. And guys, a tip when you're buying olive oil or any oil that you actually want that's pure and kind of healthier than other oils, make sure you look at the ingredients. Like, the ingredients should only say that specific oil that you're buying. So if you're buying coconut oil and the ingredients say vegetable oil, grapeseed oil, and coconut oil, like, that is not simply coconut oil. So you gotta get so you gotta make sure the oil that you're buying is actually what it is. So check the ingredients section on the bottom. I also got my eggs right here. I got some frozen shrimp. Y'all, it was a battle between should I get frozen shrimp or should I get salmon. The shrimp was $8, salmon was $10, but y'all know how salmon is so delectable. But I was like, I'm broke, so I just got the shrimp. I got these chicken thighs. Don't forget, I already had chicken drumsticks from the butchery, so I also got chicken thighs. And my hot dogs, I already opened it to give like 2 to my dogs. I bought the sweet potatoes for the little fries. Oh, and that could be a snack too. Okay. Yes.
I see potatoes.
Huh?
I see those. I have those too.
You have sweet potatoes at your house?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Oh my God. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, y'all, so he is my nephew, we could say. I'm basically babysitting him. But that is all that I got from the grocery store, y'all. And now I'm trying to think of a meal that I should make for me and my whole family today. Guys, oh my God, I forgot there's something in the freezer. Okay, 1 second. So I also bought tilapia. It's in the freezer. I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking now, and y'all go see the process. Alright guys, so while that's cooking and I already have everything prepared with my vegetables, my shrimp, and my hot dog, I'm gonna go ahead and just start cooking them up. I'm gonna add my hot dogs, I'm gonna fry them, I'm gonna do my shrimp, put them to the side, and then I'm gonna get a little bit of olive oil on the pan, and I'm gonna put my vegetables, some seasoning, some tomato paste, some water. So yeah, if you want like a in-depth tutorial on how to make this dish, I'll be more than happy to do it, but for now I'm just gonna show you guys the overall process. So yeah. Alright y'all, so I kind of been eyeballing all the seasonings, so I'm gonna go ahead and like have a little taste test of the sauce to make sure it's fire. Let me see. It's very, very, very good, but it needs some salt. Y'all, we forgot the broccoli. Alright guys, so the food is basically done. I'm gonna go ahead and have a taste test with this shrimp. Oh, y'all, the key is do not overcook the shrimp. So when I seared it the first time, I barely cooked it, but now that I put it in the sauce, it's still not overcooked because the sauce was on medium heat. Y'all, this is about to be so good. Okay, so ready, set, go. My God. Wow, I love when the shrimp is like bouncy in your mouth, you know, it's like tender. So many of y'all don't know how to make food like this. Just ask me for a tutorial, I got y'all. Alright guys, so this is my plate of food. This is what it's looking like, y'all. If only I could smell this delicious goodness. Like, you ready, set. Whoa, I did that, y'all. Ask me. So y'all, it is with great sadness to say that this is the end of today's vlog. Drive around with me, today's whatever this video was, it's the end of it now. If you want to see more vlog videos, let me know down below. Like, I literally want to know because I had so much fun filming this, and it felt like when I was alone, like in the car and everything, it felt like I was not alone because you guys were with me. So yay. Alright guys, so the house is now noisy, so I gotta wrap this up, but thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, fufu out. Love you.